I think the people are getting tired of us working on this. Can we just snap to when it's together? Kylie, snap your fingers to when it's together. Oh, hold on. Work it. Work it.
Is this gonna go in my 30th video?
Possibly. Dylan, I lost the nut for the alternator.
Oh no.
That doesn't fit.
I lost a nut. What a beautiful day.
Yeah, why were you working today again?
My turn.
I would have told him to get fucked. I need a 760.
I feel like I'm gonna have a sunburn.
Yeah, it's nice enough, you might.
You missed, like, me.
Everything. Everything.
The, like, loose hydraulic line, that blue hydraulic oil, everywhere.
And just like YouTube magic, the tractor's back together.
No, it's not.
Sure looks like it is.
No hood.
Well, the two halves are back together.
Hey Dylan.
That's just gonna...
Isn't YouTube magic great how it just pops back together?
Turnkey ready?
Turnkey ready. Fucking A, do I love YouTube magic, baby? Yeah! What?
What? I'm putting earplugs in for this ride.
It's alive! Oh, you mean they're gonna push it to the limit?
I wouldn't worry about it.
No.
The 3.0 working. It doesn't need to work right now. That's a later date project.
Well, I was gonna order parts for it, but you wouldn't answer your phone.
I don't have a call on my phone from you.
Oh, as you can
It's alive! And running. And the paint on the front of the engine's a different color than it was when I saw it last. Look at those rain caps dance up there. Well, that sounds nice and quiet. What? Blend. I didn't do nothing. Through the power of YouTube, it got back together. Through the universal power of editing.
back to that all set to man radiator.
Oh.
And I packed up the
Oh shit, it moves underneath its own power. Oh my god, your poor eardrum. Murphy. Murph. Oh my god. That's loud. Murph, stay here. Murphy. Murphy, come here. Hey, come here. Stay here.
Is your dog always this needy? Who's a good boy? Get out of my beer. They both have earplugs in.
That thing is wicked. Boss is on it now. At least that's what Ivan calls her, Boss. are confused. Here, you don't look normal. Here, put this on. You don't look right. Not anymore. Holy crap, I can hear again.
What?
What?
I'm not telling you what to do, but International would have shut off with the key.
No, it's because I hooked up the alternator. It's backfeeding. It's backfeeding voltage through the...
Switch.
It's because it's green.
Yeah, well, someone learn how to shift gears in a deer.
Why?
It makes perfect sense.
No,
Yes.
it does not.
She missed the whole demonstration of how the John Deere transmission is better. I was like... and we blew a tire.
No, why are
We did blow a tire?
Oh, shit.
Blim.
We're going downhill.
I thought that one was a little low.
Why is third? Why are there 2/3 and then it's reversed?
There's not
to
2/3.
Why is fourth below fifth and
Because-
second above third?
I was
Okay,
trying to
so
show
that
her-
just tells me that we're not even going to show her about the forbidden reverse.
There's no reason.
I was trying to show her how a synchronized transmission
And
worked. I
what-
was like, step the clutch down, and we were going to go from
You told me you could shift without the clutch.
No,
4
I
to
said
6.
I was going to go, we were going to
4
go
to 6.
4 to 8.
Oh, the 8th.
If you're gonna teach someone how to drive a John Deere when they're used to red, don't put these in their ears. And don't give them the loudest tractor on the floor.
And we blew a tire.
Oh,
That is
no.
your- that is
Oh,
your-
no.
Don't worry, I got new tires for the front.
We blew a tire. We don't know how to shift. It won't shut off with the key. Fucking pull her back in the shop. We're not done yet.
It did until I hooked up the alternator.
Holy crap, though. She's a loud one.
My fingers are still vibrating from the steering wheel.
Yeah, that might be from the off balance in the hydraulic uncoupler.
Or the low tire. We rode her till we ran the tires right off of her.
That's bad because that's tubed.
Oh, no.
Jonathan, come here.
I'm gonna need to make a phone call to the tire man because he called me when we were out driving around.
Guys,
Well, guys,
good job.
I don't know. We've been.
It
on
might be a
hiatus.
short video, but I
We've
mean,
been on a bit of a hiatus. We apologize. I have been focusing
On that.
full time on this. As you can see, it moves. It makes
drives.
noise. It ain't ready to go. I lost a nut for the alternator bolts. I mean, this panel is. She's trying to fall off.
but
I
it
saw,
moved underneath its own power.
and I think the
The
neighbors
first
in
time-
the 5 mile radius are pissed.
Well, it moved underneath its own power in the first time in who knows how many years.
50.
You think it hasn't moved in 50 years? But
20, 30.
when he got this thing, the gentleman was working on putting it back together, so who knows how long it actually
And look how
sat
much
without
of his
it.
work we had to rework.
Yeah, so who knows when's the last time that this thing has moved underneath its own power. Anywho, this might end up being a shorter video, but we couldn't hold it in. We couldn't keep it in. We have to get this out there to show you guys that it lives, it runs and drives underneath its own power.
And we blew out a front tire.
That's
It
beside
goes so
the point.
fast we blew out a front tire.
That, well, you know, they're probably only rated to a certain mile per hour, and we may have exceeded that today. Who knows? I mean,
We rattled my phone right off the radio.
Yep.
Anyway, folks, the weather's getting nicer. This is back together. You folks are going to see some more footage coming. Now that we're past, hopefully, the winter stage of life.
It's gonna snow one more time.
Probably at least one more good time, but the weather's getting nicer. We're tinkering around outside. Anyway, folks, thank you much for watching, liking, subscribing to the channel. We do appreciate it. Spring is here. We're going to be rolling with a lot more fun shenanigans. This thing is back together running. You'll see this in some upcoming episodes. John did mention something about a plow in the field somewhere that he would like to hook to this eventually.
or the disc. I think the disc might be better options.
So that is coming there.
Now I also got to fix the
well, there's a few things, a few bugs to work out, like why it doesn't turn off with the key.
I know why.
But there's a few things to work out there. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. Please continue to do so. Keep watching, keep commenting, and we will catch you guys on the next one.